Good morning. Today we will learn how to find area between two curves in the form of x, y such that mode of x minus y less than or equal to y less than or equal to root 5 minus x square. So it is given that y is greater than or equal to mode of x minus 1 and less than or equal to root 5 minus x square. So we can make two different equations. Y equal to mode of x minus 1 and y equal to root 5 minus x square. We can separate the equations in the form of y equal to mode of x minus 1 and y equal to root 5 minus x square. We know that how we can draw the graph of y equal to mode x minus 1, and squaring both sides of this equation we can find 5 minus x square and x square plus y square equal to 5. We can write the given equation in the form of, if I will compare with the standard equation of circle, x square plus y square equal to r square, then we have radius r equal to root 5 and center is origin. Now we can represent this equation y equal to mode of x minus y equal to x minus 1 when x greater than or equal to 1 and minus x minus 1 when x less than 1. We can find this value. Now we will try to do the graph of the given function. First of all, do the graph of circle. This is circle of radius root 5 and center origin. So we can write here 0, 0 and the coordinate of point A is A, 0 where A is root 5. X equal to minus 1 we can represent. Put x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. We have x equal to 1 and two lines x equal to minus 1 and minus x bracket minus bracket x minus 1. At the point x equal to 1 we can represent. In this form we can find. This is y equal to x minus 1 and this is equation of y equal to minus x minus 1. We can write. First of all, we will try to find intersecting point. This point we will find. This point is bounded by the circle and equation of a line. So we can find the coordinate of point P. Similarly, we can find the coordinate of point Q. Bounded by the line y equal to minus bracket x minus 1 and the equation of the circle. We have to find out only this region. We can find this region. We will find. First of all, find intersecting point and draw the perpendicular on x axis. We don't have intersecting point, we will find later. After finding intersecting point, first of all find the area bounded by the circle. We can write here the name of coordinate here r and s. Find the region r, q, p, s, r. We can find area bounded by the circle. Then subtract this part r, q, t is blank part, we can subtract minus t, p, s. We have to subtract because this part is blank. We have to find out shaded region using integration. Now we will simplify the given condition. After finding intersecting point, we can find intersecting point solving equation of circle and quadratic equation. After simplification, we have x equal to 2. If x equal to 2, we can put here to find value of y. If x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2, we can find. Similarly, we can find the intersecting point Q with the help of equation of circle and equation of line y equal to minus x minus 1. We can draw the perpendicular on x-axis from intersecting point. This point coordinate we have 2, 0, and similarly we can find the coordinate of point R. Now we have to find out the shaded region. We will write here required area R Q P S minus area bounded by the line y equal to minus x minus 1 R Q T minus T P S. We will integrate now the rest part. To find required area R Q P S shaded region, we will subtract R Q T minus T P S. To find required area, we will find shaded region, area of the region R Q P S minus area of the region R Q T minus area of the region T P S. Now we have area of the region R Q P S bounded by the circle. So we will write here at the interval minus 1, 2 plus 2. So we will write here minus 1, 2 plus 2. Value of y we can find with the help of equation of circle. Minus area bounded by the line y equal to minus x minus 1 at the interval minus 1 to plus 1. We have written here minus 1 to plus 1 minus this area blank part, this again minus area bounded by the line y equal to x minus 1 at the interval 1 to 2. We will write here 1 to 2. Now we will integrate. We know that the integration in the form of root a square minus x square equal to x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a, where value of a is root 5 by root 5, or we can write here x upon root 5. Integration of root a square minus x square, we can substitute here a equal to root 5, then x by 2 root of root 5 square minus x square 5 by 2 sin inverse x upon root 5 at the interval minus 1 to plus 2. Similarly, we can integrate the next part, these two parts. After simplification, we have minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 sin inverse 2 by root 5 plus sin inverse 1 by root 5. We can change this value using inverse property. Sin inverse 2 by root 5 equal to cos inverse 1 by root 5. We can use here triangle to change the sin inverse 1 by root 5 into cos inverse root 5 using inverse property. Suppose that let sin inverse 2 by root 5 equal to theta, then sin theta equal to 2 by root 5. We can write here using inverse property theta equal to, we can find 2 upon root 5. After applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find base root 5 square minus 1 equal to 1. We can write here. Then cos theta equal to 1 upon root 5. Theta equal to cos inverse 1 upon root 5. Theta value we have sin inverse 2 upon root 5 equal to cos inverse 1 upon root 5. Now you can say that applying ITF, inverse trigonometric function, we can write sin inverse 2 by root 5 equal to cos inverse 1 by root 5. Now you can see here, this is the explanation how we can change sin inverse 2 by root 5 equal to cos inverse 1 upon root 5. We know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So we can write here sin inverse 1 by root 5 plus cos inverse 1 by root 5 equal to pi by 2. After simplification, we have the area of required shaded region. We can find here only one thing we have to note here. First, find the area RQPS bounded by the circle minus area bounded by this line and minus area bounded by this line, and integrate with integration method at the given interval.